Is this the way they should have gone about it? Do you have any concerns about the way that, let's talk specifically about the investigation of the rioters, finding people who were at the Capitol and charging them with some crime relating to that. Do you think they've gone about it, the Justice Department, in the correct way? Do you have any concerns about the charges or the sentences or anything that you know about?
Well, I think people who used violence against police officers, people who used violence to breach the Capitol, didn't, leave when they were told to, and so forth. Those people should be prosecuted. I don't know enough about the individual cases to know how much overkill there is, but what I will say is my criticism has more to do with the differential treatment. In other words, it's hard for me to criticize an aggressive effort to punish people who did what they did in the Capitol if they were involved in violence, and knowingly entered the Capitol when they knew they shouldn't do that. But why wasn't this done with the same glee after the riots in the summer of 2020, where we were pushing elements of the Department of Justice to arrest and prosecute the ringleaders of what was going on, for example, in Portland, where the media was absolutely silent. Democrats on Capitol Hill were absolutely silent, but you had over 100 days of vicious attacks on a federal building, the attempt to maim and hurt and blind U.S. Marshals, a handful of U.S. Marshals who were protecting the court building. And this was represented as our federal invasion of Portland. But anyway, part of the double standard in the department, and there is one, is the energy and vigor which they will release whenever they're going after people that they perceive on the right. And the excuses and inertia and constantly explaining away the same kind of conduct on the left, which they don't pursue.